Here's a piece of my rocket using my 3D printer. My first piece of hopefully functional hardware. Here's the part. It's actually more flexible than I was expecting. I didn't expect it to flex quite that much, but that's good. I mean, this is relatively light. I was expecting it to be heavier. I wonder if I could increase the polygon count to get a better circle. You can see is the motor stop and the shock cord retention. Not sure how strong that'll be. Motor retention for the back looks like he's going to use a, you put two screws in there with little tabs to hold the motor in, I'm guessing. Launch lug is going to have to be reamed out. I had this fuzz all over the model. I mean, I really had to, you can see it all over my shirt. I had to scrape the crap out of it to get rid of it all. I mean, not the raft, but like fuzz. Like what I think that is when the print head moved from here to say, you know, here, straight, it dragged little bits of plastic with it. I wonder if there's a way to tell it to always stay on top of the model, to never move into void space, to make sure the print head is, even when it's moving around, is always on top of the model. Because this came out spotless clean, and I didn't have to do a thing to it. Zero cleanup. I mean, it was just spotless. While this was covered in spider webs. The floor is covered in all of it. I had to take a knife to it to scrape it off, and I'll have to sand it later to get rid of all the fuzz. You can see a whole bunch of it inside there. See? That was all over the outside, too. And you can see it's when it jumps from one point to another, straight across that point there, that line, and it dragged a fuzz of plastic with it. So I'm hoping there's a way programmatically in the software to tell it to never ever not be over top of where a part is, you know, if you want to go from here to here, go to here, go around here, and then come out to here. And hopefully there's a way to do that, but that's pretty damn cool. Too bad it took so damn long. It took 8.5 hours to print this thing.